Okay dear students, today I am going to send you this video related to the topics which we will have to cover in upcoming week students. So these are the remaining topic of this lesson. That means this lesson I am going to tell you that it is a rational number students. Now you can just see here division of rational numbers, property of multiplicative inverse. You can say that reciprocal of rational numbers, and then after rational numbers between two rational number students. So these topics will be there next week. I am going to explain you one by one. You can just see here students, I am going to explain you here. Now division of rational number students, division of rational number. But before that, whenever you solve this kind of question, before that you have to just check that property of multiplicative inverse, or you can say that reciprocal of rational number. Students, I am going to write the question and I will explain you, so that's why you will understand very well students. I am going to write the question here. You can just see on the screen. Okay, here suppose it may be that 3 by 4 divided by 7 upon 8 students. This type of question will be there. Suppose in place of the sign of division there will be a by, like that, 3 by 4 by 7 by 8, like that. So students, you can just see here. Now I am going to take the operation of property of multiplicative inverse, whatever you can say, that reciprocal of rational number students. So how can you do that students? You can just see how can you do that. 3 by 4. Now I am going to multiply here. This is the multiplicative inverse students. What is the meaning of this? Is the multiplicative. You can just put the sign of multiplication. But you can just see here inverse. That means what? That means what? Place as inverse. You can just see here 8 is in denominator. It will be in numerator. And 7 is in numerator. Here 7 is in denominator. It is inverse. Multiplicative inverse students. Inverse. And you can just say the reciprocal. That means what? You can just say that what is the reciprocal of 7 by 8? You can just say that 8 by 7, like this. Now you can just calculate that students here. Now this is the one concept of multiplication. However, the sum is related to the division students. But whenever you get the operation of this one, you can just take that them in multiplicative inverse. The last, then after the digit, that means the rational number. You can just see, calculate 4 2s are 8. Now 3 2s are 6. And 7 1 ja, see here 7 1 ja 7. So student, this is your answer. This is your answer. Then you will have to do this kind of operation in division. But first of all, you can just remember the property of multiplicative inverse. Then after you will calculate this kind of sum. Okay. Now the next one is that rational numbers between two rational number students. There are two rational numbers. You will ask like that. Find the rational number between two rational numbers. That means what? In between that. Okay. I am going to show you that. You can just see. I am going to show you that students. First of all, I am going to write the question. So that's why we understand very well. Suppose you will ask that like that. Minus 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. Suppose you will ask like this students. What is the question? For find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Students, between two. So you can just see here two rational numbers at first. That's why you have to divide by 2. Here is the concept. Here is the concept. This one plus this one divided by 2. This is the concept. I am going to write here the concept. So that's why you will understand that one also. I am going to write the question here. That means the rational number you can just see here x plus y by 2 students, like this. That means what is for x? It is the first rational number students. What is for y? It is the second rational number students. You can just write like this also, x plus y divided by 2 also students. You can just write like this also students. So you will be able to understand that one. Okay, now I am going to write that. You can just see here minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 divided by 2. I am going to take the division format here. If you want to take in denominator, you can just take it, no problem. You will get the answer same. Now you can just see here denominators are same. You can just see here students. So that's why it will be 5 here minus 2 plus 3 students, and divided by 2. You can just see here, it is continuing. Now I am going to write here students, you can just see minus 1 by 5 divided by 2. You can just see, this is the division. Whenever you get in multiplication student, it will be multiplicative inverse 1 upon 2. Here 2 by 1 is there, but whenever it is reciprocal of 2, then it is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 5, it is 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 6, it is 1 by 6, like that. Here the reciprocal of 2, it will be this. Then after, this is the concept of multiplication. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 upon 10 students. Minus 1 upon 10 is the rational number between this one, both the number. So you can just find out this one. You can just go with the concept students. That means addition of two rational number divided by 2. You will get the rational number between the rational number students. You will get the rational number between the rational numbers. So students, this kind of topics will be there in next week students. So you will have to prepare this video also. Watch this video 2 or 3 times. So that's why you will be able to understand very well students. And you will have to join the live class also students. This video is for the information that what is the topics will be there in upcoming week. Okay students, bye.